Okay, I'm gonna do a trade recap today for NQ. Actually, I'm gonna be making a trade recap on this. Obviously, it's pretty cool. Finally, so start on the hourly. So this is on ES today. I took it on, which it actually ended up, you know, whatever. You'll see in a second. So we had a couple draws of liquidity that we took out. We took out. I didn't even marked out. I should have, but we took out, this was Asia session highs here, London session highs, took out both those highs. And then also earlier in the morning, before that even ever happened, NASDAQ took out London session lows fairly early in the morning. So I knew that ES was going to eventually do the same thing. So on the hourly time frame, we had this high time frame order block, that bearish order block that we were within after the liquidity sweep of high time frame liquidity. So I was obviously looking to go short. Everybody and their mom hopefully was looking to go short. And then we scale down on the 1 minute, which is where I go to XQ. We get this market structure shift to the downside, so we continue to make lower lows. We get over into here, and then we finally get this, bearish momentum out. So we finally start moving down, and then I just get stopped out. So I thought I had a pretty good entry on this candle. So it was like right when this one closed, we actually got a break in structure to the downside. Uh, and I just got stopped out. So literally was just in like drawdown the entire time. So, or actually, sorry, it was, that couldn't have been right. Okay. Well, it was like right here. So, anyways, thought I had a pretty good entry. We were pretty much in drawdown like the entire time, which kind of sucked. But uh, yeah, I mean, price literally stopped me out by $1 and then ended up hitting take profit. So it is what it is. Um, I'm not really super mad about it because price ended up smashing my take profit. I was correct. I figured, since the Nasdaq, hit this low already, or he took all indecision lows, ES is going to do the same thing. That's exactly what ES did. So I was right in pretty much regards of every aspect. It just, if I move my stop loss to these highs, I win the trade. So, uh, oopsies, I did not mean to do that, but I still need to take some screenshots of this. But yeah, it does suck. It's gonna happen though. So we gotta. I just turned that off, but you gotta just be ready to go at it tomorrow, but don't let the emotions win. And I didn't. So yeah, I was nervous after I like entered the trade. Most people are nervous after they enter trades. It's just how it is. But I didn't like move my stop loss. I kind of just was sitting here like this. Obviously, like my rule with like stop loss, like if price ends up going down to like here, like I'm 75% to take profit, 50 to 75%, I move my stop loss to break even because there's no point of giving money back to the market. If I move it all the way down here and it moves all the way back up here, then I'll just fuck myself. So I'm more than happy with that. But, tough loss. It is what it is. Obviously now we're near, blowing the account. I'm $200 in the green still. So, uh, but it was a tough loss today, 278 bucks, but easily could have been $500 if I, inched my stop loss up a little bit higher. So, it is what it is. Gonna be coming out tomorrow. We have some pretty good news days wise. Tomorrow is pretty open. Thursday's unemployment. Probably not gonna trade that day, and then I probably won't trade Friday either with PMI being at 10. So high impact news at 9:45. I don't trade. So tomorrow might be the last day I trade this week. So just with MLK Day and everything. Yesterday the market was, I thought it was closed. It was technically open. So, but it is what it is. So broke the trade down already. Kind of gonna be looking again over a little bit better how I could get a little bit better execution. But those candles were so severe that it was hard to get a sniper entry. Like this isn't a 5 minute candle. Like if these were 5 minute candles right here, you could go down on the 1 minute and obviously get a good entry. These were just like very severe candles, so it was hard to get really good entries. And I thought after we saw this that we were gonna continue down to London session lows, which again we did. I just got stopped out. So that's it for the day. So gonna be uploading all these to my Excel sheets, my PowerPoint. It is what it is. But yeah, it was a good trade. Even though some trades you win are not good, and some trades you lose are good. So that is what it is.